Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we are going to start with grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4. Click on view all lessons and the chapter we're going to start with is money. Chapter 5 money we're going to start with. And the lesson is count coins and bills up to $5. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and definitions as well. Let's start with count coins and bills. Okay, just look at this example. How much money is there? So you have to look at the coins and the bill as well. You need to see how much money do we have. Got it? So first of all, we have a bill that is $5 bill. Got it? Then you have five of the coins. You have to start the count coins. So first count the $5 bill, then count the quarters by counting by 20, up by 25. Remember to count the cents, not by dollars. So we have two of the quarters. You have to count them by 25. Got it? So they would be counted by 0.25 and then 0.50. So they are 5.25 and 5.50. You are adding bill as well. Got it? Then you have three of the nickels. So now count the nickels by counting by 5. So you can count nickels by 5. Let me write them down on board. And then so first of all, you have a bill that is $5 bill. Then you have two of the quarters, 0.25. Then you have three of the nickels. So you have count the nickels by 5. So you have to count them by 0.5. So it would be 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5. So when you add up all the money, 0.25 and 0.25 makes 0.50 and 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 makes 0.15. So it would be 0.65 and you have a $5 bill. So it would be $5.65. Got it? Mm, Rafael, because grade 4 time is from 8 to 9. And if you have any problem with the time, you can see by the session later because it would be recorded and would be uploaded on the channel. So if you have problem with the time, you can see the recorded video, not the live session. Got it? It isn't a big problem because the video is saved on the channel. So if you want to see it later, you can see. Got it? Okay. Okay, now let's count the money. You have one bill for $5 and two bills for $1. That means the total bills we have are 7 bills. Got it? Now you have to find the quarters by counting by 25. You have two of the quarters. Got it? So the bills are, you have the bills. One of them is $5. then $1 bill, and then $1 bill. These are the bills. Now let's start counting the coins. So first of all, we have two of the quarters. Got it? We can count quarters by 25. So it would be 0.25. Got it? And then we have nickels. So how many nickels do we have? We have just one nickel. So you can count the nickel by 5. Got it? So it would be 0.5. Then you have two of the pennies. So you can count the pennies by 1. So it would be 0.1. So when you add up all the money, let's add up all the coins. 0.25 and 0.25 make 0.50. Then you have two coins for one of them for zero point 0.5 and two for zero point 0.1. So they make 0.7. So they make 0.50 and 0.7. So they makes 0.07. Sorry, not. They make 0.01. So they makes 0.57. So the bills are 7. So the total amount is 7.57. Got it? Let's start with test. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the test. So first of all, you have to count bill. So we have a $5 bill. Got it? Then you have to count the quarters. So we have two of the quarters. Got it? Okay, we have a $5 bill. Let me write it down on board. Okay, so first of all, we have a $5 bill. Then we have three of the quarters, sorry. So we can count the quarters by 25. So it would be 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 because we have three of the quarters. Got it? Then we have dimes. So you can count the dimes by 10. So it would be 0.10. Got it? Then we have nickels. One of the nickel we have to count it by 5. So it would be 0.5. Then we have one of the penny and we can count it at 0.01. Got it? Let's just add all the money. So 0.25, 0.25, and 0.25 makes 0.75 and it would make 0.61. 0.75 and 5 makes 0.80 and it would be 0.81. Got it? You have to add 1. So it would be 0.81. Got it? When you add the bill, so it would be 5.81. Got it? 5.91. Sorry, not 81. 75 plus 10 is 80. Oh, we can count the nickel by 0.05. Sorry, not. So it would be 0.75 and plus 10, 0.85. And you can count the dimes by 10. So it makes 0.85. Then you can count the dime by 5 makes 90. Yes, I added the. So 85 plus 5 is 90 and 90 plus 1 makes 91. So it would be 5.91. Got it? Okay, just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 5.91 and just move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is you have a $5 bill. Okay, and then you have Okay, first of all, we have a $5 bill. Then you have one of the quarter and you have to count it by 25. So it would be 0.25. Then you have how many dimes we have? One, two, three, four, five of the dimes do we have? Got it? So we can count the dimes by 10. So that means the dimes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means they are 0.50 dimes. Got it? Because they are 5. Got it? So I multiplied it by 5. Then we have just 1 penny. So just add 0.01. So just add all the money. So 0.25 and 0.50 makes 0.75 and 0.75 makes 0.76. When you add 5, so it makes 5.76. Got it? So that is 5.76. Got it? The money is 5.76. Got it? Okay, now who can count the next one? Let me you just select the 5.76 and let's see who can answer the next one. Okay, how much money is there? How much money is there? Is it put 0.45 or 0.50? Which is the correct option? It is the 0.50. You have one of the quarters that is 0.25. Then you have two of the dimes. You have to count them by 10. So 0.25 and two of the dimes makes 0.40. And then you have a nickel. You can count it by 5. So it makes 0.50. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. It is 0.50. Okay, how much money is there? So which is the correct option? You have one of the quarter that is 0.25 and then one of the dime that is 0.10. So it makes 0.35. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just move on to the next topic. The next topic is round money amounts. Okay, so let's start with rounding money amounts. What is $6.38 rounded to the nearest dollar? You have to round to the dollar. That's simple, like you round off the numbers, decimal numbers, you have to do the same. It is 6.38. Okay, so this one is the whole number. Nearest dollar, basically, you have to round off to the nearest dollar. So that would be the digit that is at the ones place. Now just look at the digit that is right after the decimal. There is 3. 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 3 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same digit. Just write that one's digit as it is and replace the other digits with 0. So it would be 6. 6.30 is rounded off to $6. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1.67. Okay, 1.67. Okay, just look at it. This is the one is at the ones place. Just look at the digit that is right after the one. It is 0. You have to compare this digit with 5. 6 is less than 0 or greater than 0. 6 is greater than 0. That means you have to round up. Round up means remove the numbers right after the decimal and add 1 to the whole number. So it would be 1 plus 1, 2. That is 1.67 is rounded off to $2. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the, oh, sorry, we are on the tutorial. Okay, let's start with the test. What is $237.95 rounded to the nearest dollar? 237.95. Okay, just look at the digit that is at the ones position, that is 7. Look at the right digit that is on the left side of the 9, that is 5. 9. You have to compare the 9 to 5. So 9 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 9 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up, remove the numbers that is after the decimal and add 1 to the whole number. So 237 plus 1 is 238. Got it? So the correct option is $238. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 961. What is 961.78 rounded to the nearest 10 cents? Got it? Now you have to round off to the 10 cents. 961.78. 961.78. Okay, you have to round off the number to the 10 cents. Just look at this digit. And right after here you have 8. So 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 8 is greater than 5. That means you have to replace the digit with 0 and add 1 to the digit that is at the cents position. So it would be 961.80. Got it? Because you need to round off the digit that is at the cents. So 7 is at the cents. So 8 is greater than 5. So you have to round up. So it would be 961.80. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is 180.13 rounded to the nearest $100? So 180.13, you have to round off 180.13 to the nearest $100. So 180.13. So 1 is at the hundreds position. Now look at the digit. 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 8 is greater than 5. So what is the nearest 100 to 180? It is 200. Got it? So it is rounded off to 200. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is 77.38 rounded to the nearest $10? So which is the correct option? 77 is rounded to which 10? 80 or 70? Yes, it is rounded off to $80. Okay, what is 298 rounded to nearest dollar? So 298.00, you don't have any fractional part of the money. Got it? So you have to round on the same digit. It is rounded off to nearest dollar 298. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. What is 372.91 rounded to the nearest 10 cents? So the correct option is 372.90. Got it? You have to round off the number to the 10 cents. So it would be 91 is rounded to 90. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's start with the next topic. The next one is add and subtract money amounts. Okay, you have to add and subtract like you add and subtract simple numbers. Got it? So let's start with examples. Okay, you need to add 9.67, 8.61, and 3.50. Let me write it down on board and then we'll add like we do simple numbers. Got it? Nothing special. 9.67, 8.61, and 3.50. So just start adding from the rightmost digit. Start from this one. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 5 is 17. Write a 7 over here and carry 1 and a decimal point over here. So 9 plus 8 is 17, and 17 plus 3 is 20, and 20 plus 1 is 21. Got it? So it would be 21.78. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to add 798 plus 391. Let me just write them down on board. 798, then 391, and 109. You have to add them. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18. Write 8 over here and carry 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 9 is 18. So write 18 and 1 19. Write 9 over here and carry 1. Okay, then 7 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13, and 1 14. So it would be 1498. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the add. 819 99731. Let me just check the answer again. Sorry. 798 plus 391 plus 109. Oh, it would be 1298. Let me see what I've done wrong. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it is 7 and 3, 10 and 2, 12, not 14. It is 1298. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is again add 3.54, 7.1, 3.54, 7.14, 9.35. 5 and 4, 9 and 9 and 4, 13, write 3 over here, carry 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, write 0 over here, carry 1. So it would be 9 and 10, 7, 10, 9 and 1, 10, and 17, and 17 plus 3 is 20. So it would be 20.03. Got it? It would be 20.03. Got it? Okay, the next one is subtract 839 minus 790. 839 minus 790. So you can do fraction like you do for the simple numbers. Got it? 9 subtract 0 is 9. You cannot subtract 3 out of 9. You have to borrow 1. So it would be 13. 13 subtract 9 is 4. And here you have 7. And 7 subtract 7 is 0. So that means 839 subtract 790 is 49. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 923 minus 114. 923 minus 114. So you cannot subtract 3 out of 1, so you need to borrow 1. And here you have 13. 13 subtract 4 is 9. You can subtract 1 out of 1 is 0, and 9 minus 1 is 8, so it would be 809. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 589 minus 474. So 9 subtract, which is the correct option? Which one is the correct option? It is 115. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 4.85 subtract 1.32. So which is the correct option? So it would be 3.53. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, again subtract 928 minus 585 and the answer equals. Yes, very good. It is 343. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic, that is, if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's start with the next topic, that is add, subtract, multiply, and divide many amounts. Okay, now you have add, subtract, and multiply the many amounts like you do for the simple numbers. Got it? So let's start with the test. Okay, so first of all, you have to subtract 6.42 minus 4.35. Let's do it on board. 6.42 subtract 4.35. Okay, so let's start subtracting. Subtract from the rightmost digit. So here you have 3 and here you have 12. 12 subtract 5 is 7. 3 subtract 3 is 0. And 4 subtract 2, 4. 6 subtract 4 is 2. So it would be 2.07. Got it? So the correct option is 2.07. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to divide 275 divided by. So you have to divide 275 by 5. So you have to count a table of 5 until you get 27 or a number that is less than 27. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 5 times 5 is 25. So 27 subtract 25 is 2. Now let's bring the 5 down. Again, you have to count 5 until 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. Got it? That means you have $55. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 53 times 4, you have to multiply $53 by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Write 2 over here and carry 1. 4 times 5 is 20 and plus 1, 22. 21. 5, 4 times 5 is 20 and 1, 21. Got it? So it would be 212. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, so you have to divide 0.06 by 3. So the answer is, so it would be 0.02. Got it? It is 0.02. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to add 2.58 and 5.38. So when you add them, the answer is 7.96. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to multiply 0.38 times 7. So 7 times 8 is 56. Write 6 and carry 5. 7 times 3 is 21 and 5 26. So it would be 2.66. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to add. So the answer is 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So it would be 8.45. Got it? So it would be 8.45. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 9 times 2 is, so 9 times 2 is 18. Got it? That would be $18. Okay, you have to subtract. So 8 subtract 8 is 0. So 12 subtract 3 is 9, and 4 subtract 1 is 3. It would be $3.90. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, you have to divide 0.56 by 8 7 times. What number is 56? It is 7 times 8 is 56. So it would be 0.08. Yes, it is 0.08. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to add. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry. And 3 into 5 and 1, 6. So it would be 608. Got it. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, you have to multiply them. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Write 2 here and carry 1. 3 times 9 is 27 and 128. That would be 28.26. Got it. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to add. 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 0 is 7 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So it would be 873. Got it. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Add the numbers in each column. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then 7 plus 0 is 7. 10, 8 and 2, 10 and 16. So it would be it isn't correct. You can select any of the option because the sum of the numbers is 3, 4, 5, 6. So no, none of the option is the correct one. 1571. Let's see how. No, you are not given with the correct option. Got it? Okay, you have to subtract 9.13, subtract 2.12. So 3 subtract 2 is 1. 1 subtract 1 is 0. And 9 subtract 2 is 7. So it would be 7.01. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So you have to add 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 8 plus 9 is 17. So it would be 1748. Got it. That is the correct option. Just select the correct option and then click on the. Oh, sorry, I selected the 8 plus 9 is 70. I selected the wrong option. It would be 1748. So it would be true because it is 1748. Got it. Okay, that's all for today. You can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered 4 of the topics today, and the topics are count coins and bills up to $5, round money amounts, add and subtract money amounts, and add, subtract, multiply, and divide money amounts. Got it? So if you, now please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. And if you need more help, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. If you find the session helpful for you, just click on the like button right below the video. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.